How to download InShot on PC or a laptop. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your laptop and tap on the search bar you see there and search for InShot. You will then see the InShot option, tap on that. Now, if you have previously downloaded the application, you will see the download button with a little cloud-like icon. So, tap on that for the download to begin, and if you have not downloaded the application previously, you will see the Get button. So, go ahead and tap on the Get button and enter your Face ID or Apple ID password for the download to begin. Wait for the download to complete, and once completed, launch the application by simply tapping on the Open option you see there, and this is how you can install InShot on laptop. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.